down here at the Fannin Springs State Park.
To the water, to the water, to the water, water, water.
Got some restrooms. Walk over here. Donation box. Women and men's restroom. Trash receptacle. Oh, bridge trussel. Walk up and see what the sign says. Way down the Suwannee River. Fannin Springs Bridge built by the state of Florida in 1934. It was officially named the Chairs Bridge in honor of a prominent pioneer settler of Dixie County. It held the distinction of being the southernmost Suwannee River crossing. When the bridge was completed, residents from surrounding areas were so jubilant that they staged a square dance on the structure to celebrate the occasion. Because the bridge does hold historical significance, this section of the bridge, which was one of the 4 spans needed to cross the Suwannee River, was erected by the state for use as a monument. It still bears the original plaque inscribed with Stephen Foster's memorial song, "Way Down Upon the Suwannee River." Well, that's kind of cool. Look, straight out there, this big old foot of wood.
Where?
Right straight over there. You don't see it hanging in between them things? That's a big old piece of log right there.
Yeah. Big tree.
Oh, there's something on the back too. Let's go look at the river. Hey, baby. This says alligators here are friendly. You can swim with, feed, and approach. They will not be frightened. Look at these big old oaks. Look at that one big old oak right there. Over there.
parked up right there. Pretty up here, ain't it?
It is. That'd be a beautiful spot for a picnic. Look at squirrels running. Yeah, out over there is private property already. That's a beautiful oak tree. Look at those squirrels. There's squirrels everywhere over here.